My devotion before this devotion, when I intercess, fika moya ingcwele kuseni hlangana nevesi elikhuthazayo athazi kokuba kuseni fika sithola uLazarus iBhayibheli was sick. Iselinye nevesi neBhayibheli who lived in Bethany was ill. I don't know. 2024, I'm still sick. But you find Lazarus this morning, I'm Kutaza, but he was sick. Tumpali, Kasichonem Komeni, his sisters sent a word to Jesus. Lord, your friend is ill. Saying in calamity, we are sending the word to God. Lord, your daughter is sick. Your daughter is sick. Come on. Your daughter, your son, Melissa is sick. So can you say his sisters sent a word. This morning, I'm sending a word to God saying, Dr. Musani is sick, Lord. Out of the 24 pena, he's sick. He's sick. They sent a word. Oh, sending a word to this man. Sent a word. Tumpali waswa indaba lezi zafika endlebeni zakhe. Oh, fika endlebeni zakhe. When Jesus heard it, wathi wakuphendula isimanga sezulu wathi this sickness will not end in death. This sickness will not end in death. So can you say it's not cool away to I never was spulali. Thank you, to I never spulali. This sickness will not end in death. Whatever that it is, it will not end in death. Oh. Whatever that is, it won't end in death. So Gajalo, I be pendula. Whatever that is was sent to kill you, it would not end in death. Can you extend it to Chalo? It won't end in death, but for the glory of God. Come on. But for the glory of God. So whatever happens is for the glory of God. Tumpali, it don't end in death. But he was 60. When he received the news, he stayed 2 more days. Wakufa we are good. Washala iskashanyana. So chichiko shaliskashanyana. Maybe sikachile las corner. But when Ken said, he stayed 2 more days for not my will, but your will. He stayed. God, he stayed. At my timing is not your timing. My ways are not your ways. He stayed 2 more days. The same God. So we know that it's delayed, but not denied. As you're staying there, I know to God, you're still processing everything for me. You stay 2 more days. It will not end in death. Oh, not end in death. Somebody. Wow. Wafika kubo. Watshela abafundi bakhe ngokuba asibuyelele eJuda. After 2 days, asibuyelele eJuda. Asibuyelele eJuda. Khona umntanami. Uthi umbhali ukayicacisa kahle. Uthi our friend Lazarus is falling asleep. Asibuyelele eJuda. Uthi asibuyelele kuseni. Khona umntanami uSavage is falling asleep. Kele kuseni is falling asleep. Our dear friend Lazarus is falling asleep. Your dreams are not dead, but they are falling asleep. Let's go wake him up. He's falling asleep. Ashokubo, awatshela abafundi bakhe. Wathi ulele. Khona izinto Thixo singene kuseni sithi silele. Khena athi sibuyelele eJuda. Sobona umntanami khona izinto ezilele. Kwabanye abantu bathi sifile, bathi kimi kuThixo silele. They're not dead, but they're just falling asleep. Let's go wake them up. Come on, let's go and wake them up. Kuseni sithi Thixo, come back and wake them up. Let's go back to Judah. Jumpani. Jesus meant that Lazarus had died, but they thought he meant a natural sleep. So wabuya wenza isiqiniseko sokuba no. What he told them plainly, God has made the situation plainly to people that angeke uphinde uphakame. Khona abantu abakubheka ekuseni bathi angeke usuphakame. He had made it plainly to them. Oh, that the situation is dead to them, but to him has fallen asleep. It has made it plainly to others that but to him, he has fallen asleep. He repeated this. He had said, come on. Told them plainly, Lazarus is dead. He's dead. Has confirmed it. He's dead. To you, he's dead. Zinto zikaMuhamveli zifile. Wakonfirma kubo. But for your sake, I'm glad I was not with him. Oh, for your sake, I am glad. Oh, come on now, Holy Spirit. The text saying, I am glad. I am glad I was not there. Because yes, training. I'm glad that you lost the job in the presence of people. But right now, I am coming. Training. I'm glad that you have lost along the way. But I am coming. Saying I am coming. I'm glad that you are embarrassed in front of people. I am glad that the situation was dead in front of people. I am glad this happened. Come on. This happened in front of people. Tumpali. Let's go to him. Suga. Ayaguya. Let's go to him. Tumpali. Nabo Thomas. Trini. Yalkona. Let us go with teacher so that you may die with him. Kola ngibona. Ngibekhona lapho. Let's go with him. Wafika. Xa ndijonga emgomeni. Luka 5 verse 5. Xa ndizayivala. Uthi wafika. When the resurrection and the life, when Jesus arrived, he found that Lazarus has been buried for 4 days. Come on. Has been buried for 4 days. That's it. 2024. SCP otis mwachiwe. SCP otis angeke sayenzeke. othi esiphi Thixo engeke sayenzeke bekuyami but Thixo ayisekho anever sayenzeke ubani othi xa sewuvala unyaka othi Thixo it has been buried for years I don't think I can go back athi ubani bakafika Khona khona bebamcomforta boMary ngoba khona abantu abacomfortayo xa isimo esinye sibheda khona abanye bacomforta kanti they go to trace you kokuba kuyenzakalani khona abanye esibathola basestukini saboMary noMartha baphakathi baloku bayabaduduza abanye they've already confirmed kokuba vele Lazarus anyaka saphila khona abanye awunabo uthi becomforta they're confirming that you'll never be happy again but we find them comforting but hey anye siyaqoli hey extending find others comforting them bahlele stofini esisayo comforta bathi alohlanga lungehlanga kanti banye comforter bathi lehlanga lungehlanga emsebenzini kanti bazoconfirma thola Martha uyezwa kokuba uJesus was coming she went out funa abokuqala the first batch ezamkhela nayo emthandazweni abahamba noMartha when he heard he went out. Funa bazophuma ekuseni bathi God, we are going out to meet you. We are going out. He went out. Martha went out. Was she situation? He went out. But Mary was silent. The first batch in Canaan emthandazweni. The batch Martha went out. Funa bathi sengiphumile Thixo ngaphandle ngimele wena kokuba uzawuyenzani she went out Thumpani Mary wahlala endlini uMary khona Mary basahlala endlini basacabanga kokuba lesimo lesi senzeke kanjani kimi wathi Thixo andifise ubuhlungu obungaka bathi uMary wahlala she stayed behind mourning I don't know who's behind still regretting of what happened but Mary stayed behind batch number 2 engizongena nayo emthandazweni batch number 2 sithola Martha Rema ifokhona kuba ubhuti wami akashonanga wamphendula xa sofika ku batch number 2 engizongena naye emthandazweni waphendula uMartha wathi your brother will rise to life your brother will rise to life your brother will rise to life so texting now you will rise to life doesn't mean kwesinye izinto ohlangabezana nazo but now exciting and you will rise to life. I don't know Papa esiphi othi sincwathiwe olwanqatshwa ekuseni but you will rise to life no matter the situation nobe kunjani you will rise to life your brother will rise to life you can't even say hoping to God will raise us to life whatever situation that has buried us but this morning it's a confirmation oh Lord will rise to life will rise to life said I'll rise to life. What's it? I'll rise to life. Said to him, I'll rise to life. I want you to believe that this morning, that 2025 will rise to life. Before the year ends, you will rise to life. Some of us have risen to life, but we'll rise to life. We'll rise to life. Said it. Rise to life. Oh. Rise to life. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life.